When it comes to electric power, copper's essential role is unmatched. From the very first flicker of electric lights, to the rise of the digital age, to the transition to new power sources and the proliferation of electric vehicles, copper remains crucial. With its high electrical and heat conductivity, copper can be found in the vast majority of today's transformers, electrical wiring cores, and conductors, and is a key component in the construction of renewable energy sources, such as wind, solar, hydro, and thermal, as well as in electric vehicles. As most of the world seeks to reach net zero targets and transition to cleaner, renewable forms of energy, copper is a requirement. However, the amount of copper needed to successfully facilitate the energy transition is staggering. In fact, S&P Global has stated that projected annual shortfalls will place unprecedented strain on supply chains. And so, the race is on to produce enough copper to meet the ever-growing demand. This may likely mean that both copper and the companies that extract and produce it could provide an attractive investment opportunity for those seeking alpha in their portfolios and a way to make an impact on the realization of the greener, net zero emissions world. Copper miners may be well positioned to benefit from increased investment in the low carbon and renewable energy sector and may offer an attractive opportunity to investors seeking access to copper through companies that are upstream in the supply chain. Sprott Energy Transition ETFs are designed to give investors access to critical minerals such as copper, among many others, that are driving the global energy transition. To learn more, please visit the website sprottetfs.com or call 888-622-1813.